Here's some inspiration for an easy, minimal-style poster design. Great for print on demand or promotional content. Choose an A3 canvas. Change the background to black. Next, let's add an image. In this case, we're creating a poster promoting live music. I like the old-school look and feel of this image. For the minimal look, a sans serif modern font works best, like Oswald. To keep the design clean, we'll only use one font. Play around with a mix of sentence case, all caps, and different sizes. Offset the image with large title text to create tension and balance. Let's play with the text transformers to add a bit of detail to this title. I'll combine the wave lower and upper to create an interesting deformed title. This can then be broken up with the information spread out across the design, paying close attention to alignments to keep this neat and simple. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.